Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Alight motion and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we click on Play Store. You will search about Alight motion. If you find updating this blue sign, then you will update your app. So that's all, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.